Hello there, my name is Tom Scrollo and welcome to my YouTube channel and to another Bitcoin update, super urgent Bitcoin update. Really wanted to share what's going on and also talk about my trade, whether I'm still having that insurance policy and etc. So before we get into it, please hit that like button, and it's always, a lot easier to like a video than to actually create these each single day. So always thank you very much for your support from my YouTube family, for all of the community actually showing me the support and motivating me to create these videos each single day. Okay, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell, because you really have to be notified when I make these uploads, and always watch them as soon as they come out from the beginning till the end, and don't miss a single video because each video is super important. Crypto market is super volatile, things can change at any given second. Okay, so currently we are, and this is something that I was drawing yesterday, just the reasons for my insurance policy that I'm having right now, which I'm going to show you just shortly. So currently we are still at it right here. So we had a massive breakout out of this resistance right here, which you can see right here, but we faced a lot of resistance from this 100 moving average in the daily chart. However, it's not that terrible just yet. As I mentioned to you in the previous video, that we might be seeing a lot of volatility in this area, and we could potentially go down and retest this level yet again, because we were seeing some kind of a rejection here. And we are also, if we go to a smaller time frame, that we will see this beautiful flag formation that I've traded. I've opened a short trade here just in case if we're gonna go and retest this level right here, actually, or potentially go even lower, which is still possible. And yeah, so that's for this reason, and that's what I mentioned in the previous video. And again, make some noise for Mr. Spot On down in the comments, because this was just a beautiful breakout, an entry into my insurance policy and into my hedge of a portion of my long-term crypto portfolio in case if it goes down. And here it is still there, like a $250,000 short from right here, from this squeeze right at the bottom of it. Perfect spot on entry. Make some noise down in the comments. So yeah, small profit on the side, but again, this is not a trade for me to make money on. This is just more of a trade to protect myself from a potential downside. So currently I'm very happy. It's weird, I know, but I'm very happy to see that this resistance that was previously a resistance, as we can see, a rejection here, also rejection here, and then we finally broke it. But now it has turned into support in a sense. I mean, we're still forming lower waves here, so obviously we're kind of going down, and we also are losing power in this support. So if we're gonna lose it, and then our next target will be around 38,800 in this area right here, that's why I have this trade over on Bybit. And you personally, if you want to be trading actively, then use my personalized exclusive link to Bybit, which you can find in the description of the video, which you can use to open an account. It takes like 20 seconds and claim up to $4,100 in bonuses on top of your initial deposit, which is amazing, and it's real money you can use for your own trading. And if you're from US or any other country that actually prohibits any crypto exchange, then you can use VPN, install it on your phone or computer, and down in the description of the video you'll find a 73% discount with my personalized link to NordVPN, and use VPN from anywhere in the world and access any crypto exchange. 73% off with my link down below. So, and currently, most important aspect, of course, we all already know, if you've been watching all of my videos, that for us to confirm the trend reversal, currently really need to break 45,700 and 44,700, so this area right here. But we are currently at the risk of actually going lower again and retesting this level, so that's why I've decided to protect myself, which was mentioned in my previous video. If you haven't seen my previous video, please check it out. It's all explained in detail. So what I wanted to see here is that currently we are, as I mentioned in a previous video as well, that we really wanted to see a close in the weekly chart above this resistance, because this resistance, as you can see, it has been rejected in the weekly chart many times. Here, also here, and so about like 4 times in a row it was rejected. But now it's really difficult to see, but we closed right at it. So right now is the moment of truth. If we're gonna start pushing higher, then our target is gonna be at least 44,700 and 45,700, and retesting this level, and this is gonna be super bullish. But we are not celebrating just yet, and for that reason I have that hedge trade, so I'm hedging the position a little bit there, so just to protect my potential downside in case if we actually turn turn and go lower, because remember that we really need to find a direction from this flag formation. It cannot just keep going sideways forever. So right now, if this resistance holds as a support, then this is going to be a beautiful turn, very tradable one. And again, if you want to be trading with Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses down in the description. But if we're gonna lose this level right here, then we're gonna be retesting 38 and potentially going even lower to retest 34, which I really doubt that's gonna happen, but it could, and for that reason I have that insurance policy. So this is just an example of a hedge, a super technical one, a super precise one, and exactly so that you're ready for whatever comes. Because if it moves up real hard, then I will see this some volume in it, and I will leave this trade that I have over on Bybit with probably like zero loss. So I will pay literally zero premium on my insurance policy. But if it goes down really hard and we're gonna lose this level, in that instance, I'm just gonna get an incredibly a good boost for my average entry price into my long-term Bitcoin holding, and that's it. So this is the best way to do it. And also, I mean, this is a beautiful squeeze right here, and you have to be doing it all technically. And for that reason, I always recommend spend 5 months of your time by joining one of my certified and accredited trading learning programs at thomasqualo.com. Link down in the description as well to a nice discount, where you'll learn everything from active trading to long-term investing and how to combine both strategies, how to do active trading, swing trading, scalp trading, day trading, long-term investing, how to do technical analysis, macro analysis, fundamental analysis, and all of it. And also trading psychology, risk and money management, and also even proper trading algorithm creation, trading statistics, proper practice stages, everything in a 5 months long learning program. And okay, so this is the current situation. This is my outlook. I'm still in there. I'm still here looking out to what is happening, and I'm going to be acting accordingly to the market fluctuation. So stay smart, stay rich, make some noise down in the comments for Mr. Spot On, and thank you in advance, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.